Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to silence notification while driving automatically. We have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Safety and Emergency options, and here we have silence notifications while driving. In here we have the option to turn it on. What does it do? As you can see from this little explanation, to limit the interruptions like calls and text messages, your device can automatically turn on Do Not Disturb options when you are driving. How does it do it? Your device uses motion and Bluetooth connections to figure out when you are in a moving vehicle. So for example, if we have automatic Bluetooth connection with our radio or other accessories in the car, our phone will know that we are in the car and we are driving, and it will turn on automatically. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.